evening. I've just got home and I've got my VT Ready Steady Cook video competition box. I'm about to open it for the first time. I've requested a vegetarian one, so let's see what we've got. Everything in this box is telling me to make a curry, but that doesn't win competitions, does it? I'm going to do something else. I'm going to do stuffed peppers with rice, pilau, VT 2 rice pots, and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to top the red peppers. Cut in half. So that's going to be my little boat. Indian inspired stuffed pepper. My little boats are ready. Oil's on. First thing going in, paneer. Get a nice colour on that. Get it nice and gooey. And we'll chuck the rice in. Next thing going in is the rice. I've done both pots. And you can stir fry these as well. So it's perfect. Let that mix up. Get that nice and warm through. That VT pilau smells unreal. Can't wait to try that. Okay, I've just put a bit of masala powder in there that VT have kindly provided. I'm also going to spice it up a bit with some extra chillies. Oh god, that's way too much. It's alright, I've salvaged it, it's fine. Stirred it in, I'm happy with that. So that's starting to smell incredible now. I've got some spinach to use, which is going to wilt and be all lovely and excellent in there. So that's going in next. I'm going to chuck it all in. It's all going in because it will shrink down, so I'm putting it all in. Looks like a lot, but just you wait. Completely forgot about this. Oh, I think it's going to be alright. That needs a bit of moisture. I'm going to chuck some creme fraiche in there to bind it all together. I'll try and zest this lemon. With a cheese grater. Right, it's going in. Oh, look at that. I put a crack of black pepper on top as well. Bit untidy, but they're going in. Bye! Bit of coriander to finish because it's the best thing in the world. And that's it. VT stuffed peppers with paneer, spinach, a little bit of masala, and creme fraiche and lemon zest. Thank you so much VT for my mystery box. Hopefully that's not the last one.